Good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.
It's not recording this, is it?
It's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be
Good night. That tonight's gonna be. I'm going to play it.
I've been all of my life.
I know you don't want to. What? Take what?
With five, but I don't know why. I said the bad boys are always catching my eye. I know how. I said the bad boys are always getting my life. I know why. I know why. I never know. I know what to do for me. It's a risk I take for the legacy. Said the bad boys are always catching my eye. Make you sick. Even the good can be a curse. Makes it hard to know which road to go down. Knowing too much can get you hurt. Is it better, is it worse? Always sitting in reverse. It's just like you're going backwards. Driving by when it's to go. Driving fast, but let's go slow. All I wanna do is crash, no. Not in the standing alone. There's always a place in me that you can call home. Whenever you feel like you're falling apart, let's just go back. That's what happened. I should've known what we're fighting for. Quitting's out of the question. When it gets tough, gotta fight some more. We gotta fight for this love. We gotta fight. My mind is gone, I've been around and leaving inside. The tears are brown, I'm losing faith. What's happening? How I feel. This time was different. Felt like I was just a victim, and you held me like a knife when you walked out of my life. Now I'm in this condition, and I've got all the symptoms of a girl with a broken heart. And no matter what. I denied my life alone, looking out for a place to go. When I get the music, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels lost with no direction. My faith is shaking, but I gotta keep trying. Gotta keep my head held high. 'Cause